Hi guys, Penny Rose Journals, how you doing? Well, this is our project today. We're starting out a bit differently because I did a silly thing. I received some happy mail and in it were some little things that looked a bit like this. Now this is a disposable bag for a vacuum cleaner. Here is what it was basically like when I got it. So I tore it in half to get the bladder out of it and then made a little booklet out of it, basically like this. But what I will do is try and show you the process, which I did not film. So bear with me and I will do my best to let you in on all the secrets. So here's the little booklet. It's quite simple. You could do more to it, but for the moment it's like a little identity document or something. So this is what they look like before they've been decorated. Now the basic construction of this when I got it was, as I will show you here, there was this piece on the top and this piece on either side. So what I have done is cut the top off. Well, what I did was pull it in half first and get the rubber bit out of the middle, and then cut all those extra bits off and fold part of the side over to the back, and then I glued it down. You can see there's a brad there. The brad is not providing any sort of structural fixing, it was just there for decoration. So prior to sticking them together, I should probably have pulled off this cover, which I didn't do on any of them, so they all look the same. There's little bits of yellow tucked here and there, but I don't mind that, it just looks a bit more grungy. Now when you pull these in half, sometimes they come in half fairly evenly, sometimes they don't. It's a very rough surface, very porous, so it takes ink very well, and it feels quite soft and fabricy. So, but they do sort of, vary in thickness. You have to be careful that you're not going to, pull it apart so there's structurally nothing left. So, anyway, I'm going to peel this and we will work on it from there. Hopefully you get the gist of how I put them together. I'm very sorry that I missed the first half of this video, but yeah, this was a bit of a challenge. These were sent to me by the lovely Bonnie from Bonnie and Clive. She delights in sending me odd things and telling me to make something out of them. So I just started and didn't even think to film it, and yeah, then I came up with this and I got so excited about it I made all of them and then went, I didn't take any video of that, so yeah. Here we are. So I will show you the process from this point, and hopefully my sort of pictures and short explanation at the beginning sort of gives you the idea of what I did. So you can make a document or a booklet out of a vacuum cleaner bag. Or vacuum cleaner bag card. The bags were gone, long gone by the time I got the cards, but the cards were quite thick, so that's why I tore them in half, and they also had that sort of rubber flange on the inside, so I had to get that out. So yeah, anyway, that was a lot of words. I hope you understood some of that. So I will basically be showing you how to decorate this from this point, so I will speed it up. You can watch it. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments. I will try my best to explain it so that it makes sense. Enjoy. At this stage I should have inked with my distress ink, but I forgot all about it and stuck everything in. It didn't make too much of a difference, but it's easier to ink around the picture without getting ink all over the picture if you do it before you stick the picture in. So yeah, just an idea. Right, sorry for bumping the camera just there. This is the spine of a book after all the pages have been torn off. Yeah, to sort of make a cute belly band. So the little pocket I made in the front that you saw obviously was just that piece that I'd ripped off the outside. I turned it inside out because, well, it's rough and grungy looking on the inside. So yeah, now we have a belly band and a pocket, and that's pretty much our project aside from inking and putting things in it. So yeah, let's finish her off. Well, that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make a little identity document out of a vacuum cleaner bag card. So I hope some of that made sense, and I hope you like the project, and I will hopefully see you again next time. Thanks for coming. Bye.